Hey you guys, I'm back with a new video. I'm going to show you some different covers for the Jibun Techo A5 Slim. Some different options. I have gone back to using the Jibun Techo just a couple months ago, and I'm super happy and committed to this size for my personal planning. And I wanted to just share a couple things with you because I got something new. Matter of fact, two new things. So this is all about covers. The Jibun Techo A5 Slim can fit various different companies' covers. Now, first you have, you can buy a clear cover for the Jibun Techo, which is their brand. If you got like the Biz version, which will come with, you know, a dark matte color. It'll still have the same pocket in the front. It'll come with the 3 pockets here, card pockets, where you slip the notebook in the front and the back. And this one that came with my Biz version comes with a card slot here and a pin loop. The clear one will come with the pockets, but does not come with that same little card slot here. But it does come with this long slot here, and I'll show that in my current setup. And that's where you can put your pencil case, or excuse me, your pencil board or something else in there. And I had accidentally bought 2. So, and they're not very expensive from JetPens. The other option for your Jibun Techo is through Websters Pages. They offer their standard size cover, but it actually fits the Jibun Techo A5 Slim. What I liked about this is, yes, it fit. They have various colors and patterns, and the price is really reasonable, and I can get it from Amazon. And if you have Prime, you know, usually you're going to get it within 2 days. It comes with these card slots, secretarial slot here, slot in back, and then where you can put a paper pad. And this is a dashboard with the Life notebook, so you can see that the Jibun Techo does fit in this, and there's not, there's not going to be any overhang. So that is that one. What I did not like about this is that it came really pretty, but after a while the colors of the pattern start to flake off. And I hate when travelers' notebooks or notebook covers start to bunch up on the top. I hate when that happens. Usually if you loosen up the elastic, that will help. Then there's this Foxy Fix size 7. This one I have bought off the Buy Sell Trade group. I already have this inscription, Beautiful Chaos. This is the compact size, so it only has 2 elastics and no pockets. And this type of setup makes it easy and comfortable to carry the Jibun Techo, especially if you have a lot of extras, because it keeps it from getting or feeling heavy. I was pretty much using this when I went back to my Jibun Techo. I was pretty much using this as the cover for my system, but I wasn't truly happy because I don't like unfinished edges. It just, well, it feels unfinished to me. I don't really like that, and this really wasn't my favorite cover, but it served a purpose for having a leather cover and keeping things light. Here's something I just got a couple weeks ago. This is completely different than anything I've ever had before. This is made out of cork. I will put the Etsy shop information below. It's really pretty. As you can see, the colors reflect. It's a rainbow splash. Really, really pretty. There's no branding on this. The maker is here in the US. He even uses a rainbow colored elastic, which I thought was really cute. I'll just open it up for you guys. And as you can see, the elastics go horizontal compared to vertical. And the inside is felt, so it has 4 elastics. My issue with this is I feel these elastics are too thin compared to elastics in the other covers I've had, and it tended to bunch here. And I think just maybe this is good for if you're not gonna add a whole lot of extra stuff to keep things light, or maybe just a stronger elastic would keep that from, I don't know, bunching maybe. But this is really pretty. It only cost me 20 bucks. So if you're looking for something reasonable and different and animal friendly, that's an option. But this is what I got myself, and I will call it my Mother's Day gift because it arrived Friday. Bam! This is from Chic Sparrow. This is the Odyssey Siren. I have usually gone for darker leathers when I purchase a cover. Something that I'm not afraid will get a little bit ink or whatever, but I wanted to try something different, and this is completely different for me. I got the cup rings and the splashes, and it came out so beautiful, and it's kind of antiqued, or I can't remember what they actually call it, or aged around the edges. Can't really see in this lighting. You can kind of see how it's a little dark around there. It turned out beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I originally wanted to just get the classic. Let me show you my Odyssey. I don't even remember what this one is called, but this is a B6 Slim Chic Sparrow, and this one I had gotten with the pin loop but with no pockets, and I liked when I was using this primarily that it kept everything feeling light. But when I was ready to order the Siren leather, they were out of the classic. So I got the deluxe. I was concerned about how thick this leather is going to feel with pockets, but I was pleasantly surprised how beautiful this is. Got the 3 pockets here. You got pocket here, pocket in the back, a secretarial pocket. I love secretarials. The new pin loop, I like this pin loop so much better than the old pin loop. And then this is my Jibun Techo system right here. So, you know, this is pretty thick in itself because of what I have in here, and then adding stickers and, you know, from sticker kits and such. But this doesn't feel heavy to me at all. So I have my decorations, I have my one of the idea books for my bullet journaling, representing BST, hello. And then the main portion of the diary here. And then I have the Jibun Techo zip pocket with card slots. And then this is the plastic cover, so it has, you know, in the back additional pockets. And so I keep some things in here, and then also too, I keep one of these small file folders from Inco, and I just keep some of my favorite stickers for on the go. And most of the stickers in here are from Inco, and there's a couple from Planner Kate. And then I just wrap the elastic on my pencil board. This pencil board comes with the kit that has the elastic. There's a separate pencil board you can get from the Jibun Techo system, but if you get the kit, you get this one with the elastic, which serves as a closure also too, to close your whole book, or you can even use it to wrap around where your pages that you're working on. But I just keep that in this back pocket here, and I just wrap the elastic like so. And then inside here in the zip pocket, which I didn't say, I have some stickers and my stencils, which include my Jibun Techo stencils. And that is it. I love it. It smells delicious. This is going to mark up, and already I can see there's some new marks, just scratches and things like that. So if you're wanting something that shows its use, this is the one. It's going to mark up, darken, and I'm not even going to worry about it. I think having these cup rings and splashes of color actually helps me feel at ease with it getting or not later on looking perfect, if I may say. So yeah, this is gonna get used, and I love it so much I want to get more colors. Oh my gosh, this wasn't cheap, but you could tell the quality. The quality's there. The edging, the completed edges, or the finished edges. The quality of the leather is just exceptional. It's definitely different than well, the Foxy Fix. I know there's a lot of Foxy Fix fans out there. I'm not trying to be negative Foxy Fix, but the quality is different. It's okay to say that. I mean, this is my B6 Slim. I also have a Chic Sparrow Field Note pocket size. I've had this for a number of years. It has that old pin loop that I don't really care for, but and the leather is thicker. This is the Creme Black Beauty, but I mean, look at this. This thing still looks exceptional. Exceptional leather quality. Yes. So anyway, that was what I wanted to show you guys. Some different covers that are options for you guys. Leather and non-leather. You got cork. You have plastic covers. PU. So that's the Websters Pages as a PU material. So it's also vegan friendly. If you have any questions, comments, do post below. I bring videos as I feel that I have something interesting to share with you guys. If you have any requests maybe for my channel, go ahead and post that below too. I will definitely see if it's something that I could do. I don't do plan with me's. Generally those plan with me videos, I enjoy watching them, but they tend to be more decorating. So I don't do those, but do comment below. I do appreciate you being here with me and spending a little time, and see you next time.